I need your assistance coping with Meaco Dehumidifier problems.
They are noisy. That's just a problem with the product in general.
The problem is water removed from the air ending up on the floor.
If the unit is leaving puddles on the floor, and that isn't because you did not put the reservoir in place. It may be because the water bucket is leaking, off-center, the floor is uneven.
If my floor suddenly became that uneven, the dehumidifier is the least of my problems.
The unit may be freezing, due to a refrigerant leak or poor airflow. The puddle could then be the meltwater overflowing the drain tube.
If I have a refrigerant leak, it is hard to find someone to refill refrigerant in a dehumidifier.
For dehumidifiers, that is usually the purview of an appliance repair person, or sending it to an authorized repair center. Since Meaco is primarily British product, you could be looking at international shipping for your dehumidifier.
If anything is going on an international trip, it is me, not my appliances. A new dehumidifier is cheaper.
Replace the filter before you start calling tech support. Rinse it out in the sink, or find a replacement part online.
I'd talk to tech support just to figure out the error messages.
The unit has 3 main relativity settings: 3 water drops for 40% humidity, 2 drops and a thumbs up for 60%, and 1 drop for 80%.
If the humidity level is set that high, it would have no impact on the mold in the room. It would also mean the unit would stay off, thinking there's no need for it to be on.
Try putting it in the mode with the 2 shirts lit up, for dry washing. That is for a roughly 40% humidity level, and may get you around the control board that otherwise thinks it shouldn't be running.
It is running, just not well.
If the 3 wavy bars were lit up, I'd know that meant the water tank was full, which would cause it to shut off.
I'd know that was the cause because the alarm would sound.
If the unit is beeping at you, the unit is either too hot or malfunctioning.
If it is sitting in a hot, damp room, how could a unit based on collecting an AC coil's humidity overheat?
The Meaco units are designed not to run when it is over 40 degrees Celsius, 104 Fahrenheit. And since it is an electrical appliance running motors and fans, it could beep at you simply for overheating before it catches fire.
Meaco was one of the few brands not recalled due to fire hazard a couple years ago.
Then that's one problem you know you're not likely to have.